Today we are doing problem 161, one edit distance. So given two strings, we just return true if they are one edit distance apart, and the edit distance is either insert one into S, delete one into S, or replace one into S. We can just do the DP and check if it's 1, because lengths are 10 to 4, so that would get time limit exceeded. So what we can do instead, we process prefix of both until they are not equal. And then we have three choices, right? If we insert into S, that means we check suffix of S and suffix from next character in T. If we delete in S, we check suffix of from next character in S and suffix in T. And if we replace one in S with a different character, we just check suffix whatever, you get the point. Suffix of S and T from next position. So len if the difference in length is larger than 2, then ups len, if ups over 1, we already cannot do it, right? Because it requires at least 2 insertion or deletions. Now we do like IJ and SI TI I plus equals 1 and ISM. So if IN and IM or is equals T, right? If we are at the end, if since they are not equal, if we get to the end, right, there is one more character in each of those. So if IN or IM return true, we can do it in one operation. Insert slash delete. Shorter one slash delete from the longer one. Okay, and now otherwise we have 3 cases to check, right? So we can do like J is I plus 1, while Jn and Jm and Sj Tj J plus equals 1 if, so this is replace, and now if Jn and Jm, now we do insert, in which case we do index, let's do it like J1 is equal to I, because we have to insert into S, right? And J2 is equal to I plus 1, while J1 under N and J2 under M and S J1 under N and S TJ2 under M. No, this should be just then J1 plus equals 1, J2 plus equals 1 if J1 is equal to N and J2 is equal to M. Delete J1, J2, so we delete from S, so this time we swap out the indices, and then we do basically the same procedure. Which should work. Okay, that was quite easy. I already did like 10 problems today, and this one was next one on the list, so whatever. In length of the strings is larger than 1, it's not possible, since that would require at least 2 insertions/deletions. Then we iterate over equal prefix and we get a few cases. If we are at the end of both strings, if both strings are equal, we return false, since we want exactly one operation and not up to 1, not at most. End of either string, we just have to do one insert into the shorter string / delete in the longer string because of the checks in previous paragraph. Return true. Next question. So next case is we replace the current character. We just check if the suffixes current position are the same. We insert a character into S. We check if suffix of S is same as suffix of T from next position. We delete a character from S. We check if suffix of S from next position is same as suffix of T. Over both strings if they have length difference of at most 1, space complexity or 1, we only use a couple of extra variables. Fair enough. Okay, that was easy. See you tomorrow.